A warm welcome to everyone. My name is Rabdi Shah and I am from Department of Community Resource Management, and my topic is occupational eye disorders. There are a range of disorders found in the workplace that can cause eye disease, disorders or injuries, while many of these agents are often also found in everyday living environments. Exposure at dangerous level is most likely to occur in the workplace. Traditionally, work-related eye injuries have predominantly affected individuals working outdoors or in construction, manufacturing and service industries. Occupational eye disorders were defined as an injury occurring to the eye that occurred in the workplace. These are some of the work-related eye conditions. Chemical eye burns. Burns can occur when the eye comes in the contact with a solid, liquid or gas chemical. Chemical eye burns fall into three categories based on the pH. The three categories are as follows: alkali burns, acid burns and irritant burns. These are some of the signs and symptoms related to chemical eye disorders. Invasion of foreign bodies. A foreign body in the eye is anything that is lodged in any part of the eye. Usually foreign bodies are metal, glass or organic material. Depending upon the size of the material that gets into the eye, it may be minor irritation or can cause serious medical consequences. These are some of the signs and symptoms of invasion of foreign bodies. And here are the causes and prevention. Blunt trauma injuries. Eye trauma refers to damage caused by the direct blow to the eye. It may affect not only eyes but also the surrounding area, including adjacent tissues and bone structure. These are some of the signs and symptoms as well as causes and prevention of the blunt trauma eye injuries. Allergic conjunctivitis. When eyes are exposed to a substance like pollen or mold spores, they become red, itchy and watery. The inside of your eyelids and covering of eyeball have membrane called the conjunctiva. The conjunctiva is susceptible to irritation from allergens. There are two types of allergic conjunctivitis: acute allergic conjunctivitis and chronic allergic conjunctivitis. These are some of the signs and symptoms and causes and prevention of the allergic conjunctivitis. Eye diseases associated with ultraviolet radiation exposure. Outdoor workers are often exposed to ultraviolet radiation in excessive quantities. There are numerous eye disease and disorders associated with eyes exposure to ultraviolet radiation, and therefore having increase of developing these conditions. Computer use disorders. Using computers for extended period of time is associated with a range of temporary eye disorders, including pain and alterated vision. Computer use disorders include computer vision syndrome. Digital eye strain is a group of eye condition and vision problem. Problem can include eyes that itch and tear and dry and red. Your eyes may feel tired or uncomfortable. You may not be able to focus normally. These problems are caused by too much computer or digital device use. Here are some of the signs and symptoms and causes and prevention of the work-related eye disorder. Red eyes. Red eyes is a condition in which the white surface of the eye becomes reddened or bloodshot. Dry eyes. Visual complaints like dry eyes are generally associated with eye fatigue or office workers that feel eye fatigue during typical intensive vision work. Occupations at risk. Traditionally, work-related eye injuries have predominantly affected individuals working outdoors or in construction, manufacturing, and service industries. These are some of the websites related to occupational eye disorders. Thank you.